15. Before starting with our exercises, let's first look here the definitions. Okay, the method of writing a number as a product of only prime numbers is called a prime factorization. We know what are prime and composite number, right? So the method of writing a number as a product of only prime numbers is called prime factorization. Prime factorization can be done by two methods. It is given. One is factor tree method and the second one is division method. So prime factorization कैसा करना है बोलने से we all know what are prime, right? Prime number means it's divisible by only two number, that is 1 and the number itself. So हम लोग factor tree का कैसा करेगा बोलने से here its example is given how we will find out this 12 by factor tree method. 12 is 2 into 6 are 12 है ना. So again we have more here. This is composite number. We have to factorize until and unless we get all the number prime. Here look at the last digit, we got 2, 2, 3. These all are prime number, right? It is divisible by 1 and the number itself only. So this way we have to find out by factor tree method. First we will learn how to find out in factor tree method. Second we will be learning in division method. Okay, so all of you turn our exercise in page 116, exercise 5.6. Question 1 is given. Factorize the given numbers into prime factor by factor tree method. Factor tree method से करो बोल रहा है ना. So what we will do here, you will take out your copy and you have to write down here the exercise, that is 5.6, okay, with good handwriting, and write down here question. You look at your textbook and you have to write the question here. Factorize the given numbers into prime factors. Let's do here few. Let's do here what A and B. Question A is given 86. This one we have to factorize in factor tree method. Factor tree method कैसा करना है? Here example में ऐसा दिया हुआ है. This way we have to factorize until and unless we get the number prime. Okay. So यहाँ में 86 is divisible by 2, right? Divisibility test आप लोग पढ़ो बोला है, so that while factorizing it is easy for us also to yes factorize. So 2 कितना में 86 होता है? 2 4 is 8, 2 3 is 6, 2 into 43. Now we got here 2 into 43. Now let's check out 2 तो prime number already मिल चुका है, तो let's check out this 43. अच्छा, 43 is a prime number or composite number. Composite number होने से we can still factorize, right? But look at this number and think whether this 43 is a prime or composite number. I think it is a prime number, right? Because 43 is divisible by 1 and the number itself only. So factor of 86 will be, you can write here, thus or therefore. This is therefore sign. Factors of 86 is equal to, this is the factor of 86, 2 into 43. 43 we cannot factorize further, so because it is a prime number, so let's stop here. So 43 will get 2 and 43 is a factor of 86. That's it. Now let's write down this question B. Question B mean 91 दिया है ना. So let's factorize this one also. This is how you have to factorize in the factor tree method. Okay, तो 91 को दिखेगा. अच्छा, we all know that 1 is not a divisibility test of 2, right? So 3, what about 3? 3 से सकेगा. 3 divisibility test कैसा था? 9 plus 1 is 10. Plus करके 3 से divisible नहीं होता है, so no. 4 no. 5 से no, because here 6 से 6 भी नहीं होगा बिकॉज से हमें 7 से लेट्स चेक आउट विथ 7 आप लोग डिवाइड करके भी देख सकता है 7 into 7 13 जा 91 okay 7 into 13 is 91 so we got here both 7 and 13 as a prime right yes or no that means this much we will do we cannot go further क्योंकि हम लोग already prime number मिल किया है ना prime number means divisible by 1 and the number itself आप लोग previous exercise में कर चुका है तो prime and composite को अच्छा से याद कर लो we got here prime that means factor of 91 will be 7 and 13 so therefore factors of 91 is equal to 7 into 13 this is how we have to do to factor 3 now you do question C and D question C may 48 है factorize until unless you get the prime number D also we have here 56 that means your C and D is your classwork okay you go through the textbook also and the examples you will understand more okay this is how we have to find out the factor 3 now let's look at our question number 2 question 2 में क्या दिया है factorize the given numbers into prime factors by division method here division method is given you have to find out this division method okay अच्छा यहाँ में देखो divide the given number by the smallest prime number that divide it completely with remainder as 0 remainder 0 होना है बोल रहा है हाँ divide the quotient again by a prime number that it divides the number completely leaving the remainder is 0 continue until the quotient is 1 quotient 1 नहीं होने तक हम लोग factorize करेगा this is the method this is the process how we have to find out in division method okay so let's try here क्वेश्चन 2 का क्वेश्चन आप लोग लिख लो अभी क्वेश्चन 2a में कितना दिया है 64 दिस इज डिवीजन मेथड में करो बोल रहा है ना so this one we have to do in division method 64 is given you will do this one this way okay 2 3s are 6 2 2s are 4 डिवाइड करने से अब लोग 2 से डिवाइड करने से रिमाइंडर 0 होना है हाँ दैट मीन्स 2 32s are 64 हुआ है अभी 2 लास्ट डिजिट को देखो why I'm directly dividing with 2 is that by looking at the ones place we easily came to know that 4 is divisible by 2 right अभी हमें 32 भी मिल गया 2 is also divisible by 2 because ones place में 2 ही है तो हम लोग again 2 1s are 2 या एक जला जाएगा 12 हो जाएगा ना 2 6 are 12 okay अभी 16 is in 2 double 2 8s are 16 2 4s are 8 will continue until and unless your quotient is 1 okay 2 2s are 4 अभी 2 1s are 2 here we have find out all the factors here and keep in mind you have to start factorizing by the smallest prime number okay 2 से शुरू करके दिखेगा if it is not divisible then check by 3 if it is not then 4 ऐसा ना small to big systematic way you find out okay directly 64 1 से 64 ऐसा नहीं करना है okay 2 से check करो if this way like how we did here now we got the factors here these are the factors of 64 okay therefore 64 का factor क्या क्या है 2 into 2 कितना है 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 this is the factor of 64 okay now let's try again one more question B में कितना दिया है 84 right so 84 को factorize करेगा here ये बड़ा नंबर है ना, डायरेक्टली आप लोग डिवाइड भी कर सकता है और एक आइडिया हम बोलेगा ये 4 both 8 and 4 is divisible by 2 ना. This is 84. You will not put any comma, okay? 2 4s are 8. एक digit ले लो. बड़ा नंबर होने से 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. That means 2 42s are 84 ना. अभी ये 4 into भी divisible ones place दिखा जाए तो 2 से divisible होता है ना. 2 2s are 2 1s are. अभी ones place दिखो 1. 1 is divisible by 2? No. What about this by 3? 2 plus 1 3 ना. Divisibility days में ऐसा दिया है ना. 2 कितना नंबर है उसको प्लस करके the sum should be divisible by 3 ऐसा बोल रहा है ना divisibility test में. So let's check out by 3. 3 में 21, 3 टेबल में 21 आता है ना. 2 plus 3 is 2. 3 7s are 21. 7 is a prime ना. तो 7 1s are 7 ऐसा कर देगा हम लोग. ठीक है. So thus factor of 84 will be 2 कितना है 2 बार. 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. See, very simple, right? ज़्यादा नंबर होने से मिस कैसा किया है 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 तो 2 42s are 84 हो जाता है. This way you can find out. यहाँ में भी देखो 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4 ऐसा ना. नेक्स्ट में भी 2 2 सकेगा इसलिए 2. ये तो 3 ज़्यादा हो गया इसलिए 2 1s are 2 दिया है. 3 minus 2 1 मिलता है. 1 इसको दे दिया ये 12 हो जाता है ना. तो 2 6 are 12 ऐसा किया है. दैट मीन्स 2 16 is 32 ऐसा फाइंड आउट किया है. ओके. दिस इज द technique we have to use while getting greater digit. Okay. Now, yes, that we have done A and B. I want you to try C and D. Okay. You have to try C and D as a classwork. Okay. Yeah, that's it for today. I am giving you 2 questions here. We have here in exercise 5.6 2 questions. Out of these 2 questions, I'm giving you two sums to solve by yourself. Next, we will be learning LCM and HCF. Okay, so before starting with our exercises, I want you to go through this one, LCM. This common multiples examples is given. Go through the textbook. We will start the exercises in our next class. Okay.